Hello and welcome to We Express Sports. And today we are here for the post-match analysis of the game between Mumbai Indians and Rajasthan Royals. Now, this game, if you look at the history, the recent history, Rajasthan Royals surprisingly had an upper hand against the Mumbai Indians. Since 2018, these teams played against each other 4 times, and all 4 victories belong to the Rajasthan Royals. And I would have been going thinking about it, this might be a bogey fixture for us, but today Mumbai Indians showed their class with the bat and the ball, and it was a convincing victory for the boys in Mumbai. So today, to discuss the game with us, we have Mayank, who was a passionate MI supporter, and we have Masu, who looks a little gloomy because of the kind of defeat that Rajasthan Royals had. Now, let's get straight into the match and the way it unfolded. Mayank, पहला innings मुंबई winning the toss batting first. अब लग रहा है काफी set हो गए सारे teams की, batting first would be the right choice. Were you surprised, maybe not seeing someone like a Nathan Coulter coming in and this sticking to the same side, or were you like कि सही चल रहा है तो let's not mess around with it?
Exactly what you just said कि अगर जीत रहे तो फिर there is no need of cutting and chopping, and it's not like James Pattinson isn't performing. So like he's giving wickets, in crucial time as well. Like Rohit Sharma is actually bringing him in the middle overs when he wants the wicket. Rohit Sharma, when he wants the wicket, he goes to James Pattinson instead of Bolt and Bumrah, and he delivers every time. So there's no need of maybe change and bringing in Nathan Coulter 9. And talking about the toss, it's just now they are getting into the rhythm, and it's not just one player coming in each and every match. Decock played the last match, this time Surya Kumar Yadav, and it's just a clinical win for the Mumbai side.
Okay. मासूम, राजस्थान रॉयल्स की बात करें, चेंजेस हुए. कार्तिक त्यागी द अंडर 19 बॉय, जिससे काफी उम्मीद थी, एक विकेट भी लिया उन्होंने. उसके अलावा हमने देखा यशस्वी जायसवाल फिर से टीम में आए. क्या कोई और चेंजेस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, या फिर दीज टू चेंजेस के अलावा आप सोच रहे थे कि नहीं अब स्कोर थोड़ी बेटर लग रही है?
नहीं, मेरे को लग रहा था कि राजस्थान रॉयल्स को थोड़ा और बैटिंग में अपने प्लेयर्स रखने चाहिए थे. उन्होंने बिना मतलब का आज के गेम में वापस से 6 बॉलर्स के साथ गए. 6 बॉलर्स के साथ जाने का कोई फायदा उन्हें मिला नहीं, और मेरे ख्याल से मनन वोरा को अब टीम में वापस लेकर के आना चाहिए. बहुत टाइम से मतलब उनको अभी तक ये सीजन में एक भी गेम मिला नहीं है, और मनन वोरा एक ऐसे प्लेयर है जो टॉप ऑर्डर ओपन भी बढ़िया कर सकते हैं और मिडिल ऑर्डर में भी अच्छा खेल सकते हैं. उनके पास जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो एक्सपीरियंस अभी उथप्पा के पास भी है, लेकिन फिलहाल उथप्पा तो चल पा रहे हैं नहीं ये सीजन में, तो मेरे ख्याल से मनन वोरा को टीम में लाना चाहिए. और जहां तक बात है कार्तिक त्यागी की, तो कार्तिक त्यागी एक अच्छे रिप्लेसमेंट के तौर पर आए जयदेव उनडकट की जगह, और उन्होंने बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉलिंग करी. अगर मेरे ख्याल से अगर जयदेव उनडकट होते टीम में तो शायद से मुंबई इंडियंस 200 प्लस भी बना सकती थी, क्योंकि जब राइजिंग पुणे सुपर जायंट्स को छोड़ के जब से जयदेव उनडकट राजस्थान रॉयल्स में वापस आए तब से उनका बॉलिंग में इकोनॉमी रेट 11 का रहा है, जो कि सबसे खराब रहा है बाकी प्लेयर्स के कंपैरिजन में.
ओके, मनन वोरा को चांस मिलना चाहिए. लेट्स सी अगले मैच में चांस मिलता है कि नहीं. Mayank, I'm going to come back to you again about the Mumbai Indians. Now we are seeing a pattern over here. Like like every other day in every other game, there we see, if Rohit doesn't get the run, Ishan Kishan gets the run. If Ishan Kishan doesn't get the run, Surya Kumar Yadav gets the run. If not him, then Quinton de Kock. Like someone or the other raises his hand and tells him, today I'll do it. Now, do you think once again, like, I know they are the favorites, but looking at the squad that they have and the way they're performing, do you think it's going to be the way the batting lineup is? Will they make any kind of changes going forward, or do you think this batting lineup? We saw Saurabh Tiwari had a good game in the first match and unfortunately got injured. But do you think this is the squad? ये batting lineup है, अब यही खेलेंगे end तक?
Yeah, surely. Because if you see, Mumbai Indians has just made one change the whole tournament. Like I don't think any team has done it. They have just made one change. That is Saurabh Tiwari. Ishan Kishan comes in for Saurabh Tiwari. And the thing is, all those players out in the first 5 or the first 6 are consistent and regular players. They can come in and chip in. But sometimes how Ishan Kishan played today, you can't just absolutely rely on him for the whole season. He can go like 2 or 3 matches. He can underperform, but he's a great player. He had now he's had that one great innings. Now he will continue his form, and I don't think middle order में कोई भी change की जरूरत है. And today as well we saw कि Hardik Pandya was coming in the earlier के matches, but today during that rough patch, during that collapse, even Krunal Pandya came in and settled in for 2 overs that set the stage for Hardik and Pollard to come in and give those extra 90 runs in the last 6 overs. So that is perfect what a captain wants from an all-rounder like Krunal Pandya. So I don't feel any changes होंगे, and yes, we are the favorites right now going into the tournament ahead.
I'm gonna just pick on that and I'm gonna turn to Masoom. Masoom, like 2 विकेट जब फटाफट मिल गए and आखिरी 4 ओवर में 60 runs concede किए. Do you think that was the point where Ara thought maybe we had let this slip कि यहाँ पे हम game MI थोड़ा आगे निकल गया?
हाँ, वो मतलब लगातार 2 विकेट गिरने के बाद फिर वो आखिरी के 4 ओवर में 60 रन जाना एक तरह से वही था कि गेम आरआर के हाथ से निकल गया था. अगर वो 4 ओवर में 60 रन नहीं जाते, थोड़ा कम रन पड़ते, अगर आर्चर और टॉम कुरान थोड़ा बेटर बॉलिंग कर लेते, जो कि सबको को पता है कि आर्चर एक बेहतरीन बॉलर है और वो हमेशा डेथ ओवर में परफॉर्म करते आए और खास करके मुंबई इंडियंस के अगेंस्ट उन्होंने हमेशा ही परफॉर्म करा है. ये जो पिछले 4 गेम में जो जीत मिली है राजस्थान को मुंबई इंडियंस के अगेंस्ट में, उसमें आर्चर और श्रेयस गोपाल ये दोनों जन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहे हैं. और साथ ही साथ में क्रिस्टोफर गौतम जो अभी किंग्स इलेवन पंजाब में जा चुके, वो भी एमआई के अगेंस्ट जीत के लिए बहुत अच्छे रहे थे. तो मेरे ख्याल से अगर वो 4 ओवर में थोड़े कम रन जाते, 60 की जगह अगर 40-50 रन होता, तो मेरे ख्याल से एक तरह से चेजेबल स्कोर हो जाता और राजस्थान की टॉप ऑर्डर पे फिर वो प्रेशर नहीं आता बड़े स्कोर का.
Talking about pressure and big score, क्या आपको लग रहा है स्टीव स्मिथ प्रेशर की वजह से रैश शॉट्स मे बी काइंड ऑफ आउट हो रहे हैं? बिकॉज कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के अगेंस्ट पुल शॉट एज टू द कीपर, अगेंस्ट द आरसीबी ट्राइंग टू प्ले द सिमिलर शॉट बोल्ड हो गए. आज फिर बिकॉज स्टीव स्मिथ के साथ हम देखते नहीं है ऐसा, वो जनरली पहले थोड़ा टाइम लेते हैं एंड देन सेटल होकर थोड़ा चिपिंग करने होते हैं. मे बी इज इट लाइक द बिग चेस प्रेशर जो स्टीव स्मिथ को, और मे बी इज इट द कैप्टनसी प्रेशर जो स्टीव स्मिथ के ऊपर ज्यादा आ गया इस समय?
I don't think that Steve Smith has too much of captaincy pressure on him because he has also captained Australian cricket team and has also captained Australian cricket team for a brief duration. But the main thing is that Smith and Sampson both haven't realized that they are not playing at Sharjah. They are. I think their minds are still that they are in Sharjah, but this Dubai and Abu Dhabi has bigger boundaries than Sharjah, and they need to change their mindset to perform in these two grounds.
Okay, I think the changing conditions has affected. They're still in that Sharjah hangover. But Mike, coming to you, some brilliant performances from Mumbai Indians, and there were a couple of them we were thinking, this guy really killed it today in the bowling as well as in the batting department. But you have to pick one now as your most expressive player of the match. It's a tough one, I know. There were a couple of them, but you have to pick only one.
I'll pick the unexpected one. Like, we expected Bumrah to, bounce back after that, bad game against SRX. So, and we have seen Surya Kumar not going till the end in a lot of matches, but today, he was there. He absorbed the pressure of the collapse. He played shots that Krunal Pandya or Hardik Pandya pressure mein na hai. So my expressive player will be Surya Kumar Yadav for sure.
Okay. Masoom, 2 good performances. I think that one was Shreyas Gopal with his bowling today, and other one was Josh Butler, who finally is in some sort of form we saw today, and how destructive he was. But taking out of those two, your one most expressive player of the match today?
I would not go with both of them. I would rather go with Kartik Tyagi.
Okay.
Because of his bowling in the power play and the way he broke the partnership between Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock, which could have been very much dangerous for Rajasthan Royals. If that partnership haven't been broken, then we could have seen 200 plus scores very easily.
Okay, surprise pick Kartik Tyagi, but let's hope he keeps on doing well, because at the end, if the youngsters do well as a country, we will be happy. But again, guys, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. We hope to see you again and again in the Sports Analysis. But thank you very much. And that's it, guys, for this match.
Thank you. Cheers, mate. Cheers.